Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Summer here to talk about lesson 606, grams to mole conversions. So the goal for this lesson is to convert grams of a substance to moles of that same substance using your molar mass. Remember to have out your periodic table and your conversion chart. Remember, the conversion factor between moles and mass is the molar mass of whatever the substance you're trying to find. So remember, 1 mole is the molar mass, so we can write it as molar mass over mole, or 1 mole over the molar mass. Last lesson, we used this one. Today, we're going to be using that conversion factor. So before you set up your railroad tracks, you need to calculate the molar mass for the substance you are using in the problem. So here's a real-world stoichiometry example. In medicine, in order to make different types of drugs, scientists and pharmacists must convert from grams that they can weigh on a scale of the individual chemicals to moles of those chemicals and use the ratio for the balanced chemical equation in order to have the correct ratio or the mixture in the final medication. So here, convert from mass to moles. How many moles are in 36.5 grams of Ki? So I first have to calculate my molar mass. The molar mass of potassium is 39.10. The molar mass of iodine is 126.90. So when I add those two together, I get 166.00 grams per 1 mole. So now I need to set up my railroad tracks. So my railroad tracks look like this, except I'm going to change the color of the 1 mole Ki. So when I calculate it, my grams will cancel. And I'm left with this problem. I have to do 36.5 times 1 divided by 166.00. To do that, my answer is 0.22 moles of Ki. So going from grams to moles, you divide by the mass of your molar mass. So you're going to divide this time, instead of like in lesson 605, we multiplied because we were getting rid of the moles then. Now we're getting rid of grams, so we're going to be dividing. So you try. Convert from mass to moles. How many moles are in 17.6 grams of NaCl? So I first found the molar mass of sodium chloride, and it was 58.43 grams per 1 mole. Now I need to set up my railroad track. My railroad tracks look like this so that my grams can cancel. And when I do that math where I'm multiplying 17.6 times 1 and dividing it all by 58.43, I get 0.30 moles of NaCl.